Hey everybody.
Hey.
Hey, so you may have noticed that the frequency of posting for us on our YouTube channel has gotten a lot less frequent over the past couple of months. And there's a few reasons for that. But the big one is we are actually going to have a baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, in August.
Yeah.
So with pregnancy comes a whole new set of challenges and things we got to figure out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, it's been okay, but it's been exhausting. And there's been like sickness and stuff, just the regular pregnancy sickness. So I haven't had as much energy to put into reselling and YouTube, but I'm still doing it. And even passively, it's been nice to make some good money. I feel like that's gonna dwindle unless I continue sourcing. But yeah, it's been good, and that's some big news, some exciting news. Yeah.
So with that, we have decided that we're gonna move home to Grants Pass, Oregon. So that means leaving Portland. That means leaving the Portland resale scene, which, has been pretty good. It's the biggest,
especially starting out.
Yeah, it's the biggest city in Oregon, and so there's a lot more here, a lot more chance of finding higher end designer stuff to try and resell. So I think moving down there is going to come with its own set of challenges as far as the resale business goes. But I think it can still be done. I think that it's going to have to shift a little bit.
Yeah, it's kind of like a challenge and a puzzle.
Mm-hmm.
So thrifting has changed for us recently, even in this area, because it's gotten more popular to resell, and also thrift stores price things up a lot. So that's been a challenge. We've gotten into online sourcing. We've gotten into artwork. We've sold 3 pieces of artwork already, which is cool. So we are excited to get down to Grants Pass and do some research about which thrift stores are going to work for us and which categories are best and all of that. So it's going to be a challenge, but I'm excited. Yeah. And we're going to try to crack that code and maybe take you along with us as we try to do that.
No, we're definitely going to take you along with us. Yes. Our YouTube channel isn't going to end, but we are going to probably have to switch gears and kind of rebrand a bit because it's not going to be the same situation anymore.
Right.
So, yeah.
We might I think it's probably going to be a mix of things, especially as I'm still pregnant before we actually have the kid, and going down there. It's probably going to be a mix of not super high priced items, but then us trying also at the same time to source, whether online or whatever, higher priced selling items too. So yeah, it's gonna be a mixed bag of sorts. One thing I've been doing recently, if you're moving to a new area or if you want to know what does well in your current area, do this. Learn it from another YouTuber. Go to eBay and search something for me, I searched vintage, because we're going to get more into maybe the vintage and antique kind of game, since that's more of what is available in the Southern Oregon area.
At least that's what it seems like.
It's what it seems like, yeah. So we're trying to learn that, but I just typed in vintage on eBay and sold, and then lowest was 100. And then you put in the zip code of where you're going to live or where you are living. So I put in the zip code, and you can see what has sold in that specific area for that price point in the last 90 days. So really good if you're in a weird area that doesn't have a lot of designer clothes, or if you just want to know what to pick up in a town you're going to or whatever. Super fun tip, or good tip. I've been doing that in preparing for that and kind of studying. So I want to share that. I thought that was cool.
Yeah. Our YouTube channel is going to not be in Portland anymore, and that's okay. We'll take you along with us still. As long as you guys are wanting content, we'll keep making it. It's going to be different. There'll probably be a lot more stuff about how to be a reseller and a parent at the same time, I imagine. Yeah. so many different things. So anyways, we just want to thank everybody so far that's been staying with us and watching our channel, and we just ask for your support as we change gears here and do something a little different. And yeah, just hang tight with us while we reestablish and figure out how to start, you know, a regular posting schedule again in a different location. We'll still probably post things here and there for the next like month or two, but it'll probably be a little slower than what we used to do, because we're also packing and trying to get ready to leave as well. So yeah, that's our announcements.
Yeah. Big news.
Yeah. So thanks again, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.